Today we'll be cleaning the Smith Wesson M&P Shield 2.0. We'll be using some Hops 9 solvent, some Militech oil, a cleaning brush, and a bore snake. First, as always, we'll want to make sure that the firearm is unloaded and clear of any ammunition. Once the firearm is clear, move the slide to the rear and move the takedown lever towards the bottom of the firearm frame. To remove the slide from the frame without pulling the trigger, there's a little yellow lever that can easily be moved forward with a pen. With the yellow lever forward, the slide will now easily come off. I'll then remove the recoil spring assembly, and I'll also remove the barrel. Using Hops and a brush, I'll start by cleaning the inside of the slide, making sure to get into every one of the hard-to-reach places. Next, I'll move on to the frame using Hops and a brush again, and I'm going to make sure that I get into all the hard-to-reach places on the frame as well. Once I'm done with the Hops and the brush, I'll wipe the entire firearm down with a paper towel, making sure to remove all excess debris and any excess solvent. Then I'll switch my focus to the barrel. Still using Hops and the brush, I want to make sure that the chamber is free of any excess debris or fouling. Then I'll use my bore snake to run it through the barrel a few times. The bore snake allows a clean barrel in just a few passes. I always make sure to wipe down the recoil spring assembly just to remove any debris from that area as well. Next, I'll place a few small drops of oil on the barrel. I just want a very light coat of oil on top of the barrel. Then I'll reinsert the barrel and the recoil spring assembly. And then reattach the slide to the frame. Once the slide is back on the frame, I'll move the slide to the full rearward position and place the slide lock in the up position. This will make it so I can push the lever for the takedown back into its parallel position with the firearm. Lastly, I'll give the firearm a final wipe down just to make sure that I've removed any excess oil, solvent, or debris. There you have it, a clean Smith & Wesson M&P Shield 2.0.